Huh.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your very first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Vivian. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Spain with my husband. Thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate. And if you like this girl you're seeing or you enjoy watching this topic, do not forget to subscribe. Enjoy my family. I also do sit down video, lifestyle, vlog, and gist time. Thank you for joining. I also have other videos down there, as I said earlier. You can also check them out if you love to watch them. And I want to say thank you to everyone that will be supporting me, watching my videos, sharing my videos, dropping comments. You guys are amazing, especially those sharing. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. So guys, let's go straight to today's topic. I'm going to be doing it on low key, okay? And I'm going to be using pidgin English. You know, when it comes to children, guys, YouTube, we are very sensitive, okay? So we are going to use pidgin English to talk this today, okay, my people? So my people, especially if you come from Nigeria and I don't see what they go on ever since concerning body school. The last time it happened, the 15-year-old boy come from school. After some days, he give up, okay? Before he give up, he tell mama say the 3 boys beat him for school. Say me he can't join group, he no join, they beat him. And according to the report what they see, the school said made the talk say the boy fall for bed, and the boy still they tell parents before he die say he not fall for bed. Now beat the beater. For that one, I know say our government will take charge of the matter. They don't already shut down the school, they don't lock the school. I know say they go bring out the people where do that thing to that little boy, okay my people? So before that one, another one first happen where everybody first see for media, the boy they go I don't want to mention the name of the school, when they say something like that still happens, but that one not bad. But that one come from school, it can't be like burger fish. The mama come dey very sad the way they take my children for school, you understand? So the matter follow social media. I shall say they even carry the matter go court. A lot they happen, okay? So today we want to talk about our parents where they carry children, they go body school. At least from 18 years is adult, okay? If you dey body school, no problem. If something happen, you go fit defend yourself. You go fit call your parents. So today, this thing happen, okay? But for little children, don't see 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years going to body school. Our parents, why now? See, if you're not in Nigeria, okay, it's acceptable, you could put them for body school because you're not there to take care of them. Not be say when you in Nigeria there, some excuses be like say they talk say the parents they're busy, they know they get chance. Really, me our advice, parents, this advice is for you people. Our advice for you to take your children to body school. I know say body school is no good. As if from the age where they'll be able to defend themselves, express themselves is okay. But the little ones like 5, 4, 6, 7 is a no now. You better look for house help that will be helping you to take care of them before you come back for your business or your work. Okay, I know a lot of people will say, oh, house girl, they are not also good. But for this situation, me, I prefer house girl pass those little children when they go boarding school. At least in the evening, if you reach out, you go see your children talk to. I remember when I was when we sumo, guys, before we sleep, our papa go call us, we go pray, you understand? Sometimes now there's some people they talk wetin happen for the day, and sometimes now them and that they ask us say anything we'll do during the day. Now that period, that time, they ask us why not do something like this? Where you go today? Why you do this? Nothing like say you go know wetin your pikin eat before he sleep. Imagine 3 years, 4 years, 5 years in body school. Parents, it's not advisable, guys. It's not advisable. Okay, when will you not have the time for your children? At least when 6 years, 4 years, 5 years, 7 years go body school, which time, which story you go to talk concerning the pikin like say, oh, when my pikin young, when you come from school like this, now so you go they cry, now so you go they do this. Nothing like my people. Very important. Before pikin go bed, you go like know wetin happen during the day. Ask my pikin wetin happen for school today. Anybody beat you? You do this. You eat well for school today. You do this. You learn well. Sometimes some children go still complain come house. I don't see a lot of parents when be say they go break, they go carry their pikin hand go school, go meet their teacher. Why you do this to my pikin yesterday? The teacher go explain wetin happen. If na wetin serious or iron, if don't be wetin serious or still leave am. Okay, what if your pikin dey body school, you go report to? See, and not be only your pikin dey body school, children nanny for body school. Even if your pikin complain to the person wey dey take care of them, e no go be like father own. You go only tell am say it's okay, especially in the matter. But as a parent, you go feel am that day. You go even see some injury, some pinch or something for pikin body. You no go like take am. But if your pikin dey body school, those 3 months, 2 months wey you go spend for school, the thing don heal. You no go know wetin happen to am. See, our advice parents, abeg, if your pikin still small, keep them for house now. Keep them. I better advise you go for house help. House help. If you come from school, you go. Wait, how do parents really feel before you go to bed? Now they see una pikin for eye. Now they comfortable. Guys, make una let me know for comment section if you have any children in body school. Okay, I'm not talking about from 10 years up or like 10, 15. All those ones can talk, they can defend. All those small ones. How do you guys feel when you want to go to bed? You not see your pikin talk to, you not read story for them, you not pray with them, you not see them say, oh, how was your school today? Did anybody beat you? Now do this, now do this. No, how not take the feeling? Some parents, you guys should learn from this. This little boy will die, so the thing pay me rich bone. The video, I no even feel wash hand. I don't feel wash hand. See man, see body. Imagine say no be body school that boy dey, my people. The day when they beat him reach us, the boy for never cry. Oh, let's be sincere. Oh, the boy for never cry. Immediately when parents go see say they beat the pikin, something like this, they are put to them pikin weak. They go rush and go hospital. Solution go come. But my people, parents, think twice before sending your child to body school, especially those little ones where they not fit defend themselves, where they not fit express themselves. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you can take your child of 5, 4, 3 years, 6 years to boarding school. See, you see when they'll say, even if say, you know, if for me, even if I'm not in Nigeria, for me to take a child of 4, 5 years to body school, I better give it to someone relative. Even if say they're mature, then it's better than, at least if you're there with them, you go they see them, they call every minute. Not be that one where every weekend you go school, go see your pikin. Some minutes where you go spend with them or some hours is not even reach, my people. I beg, this news don't too much for ear. It's painful. Thank God the one will happen before this one, the person not buy. Now the boy don't recover. This one now the boy don't go. You understand? It's so painful. I just feel for the parents, the pain. Guys, no waiting me to lost someone. Hey, the pain and everything. So parents, to avoid such, to avoid this kind of problem for future, you know they think twice before you carry children go body school. Think twice. Very important. I don't know if you guys don't ask your children. See, let me know in the comment section if you do it to your children in the evening before they go to bed. To talk to them, you pray with them. Let me know in the comment section, because if you do that to your children, I think the thing they pay you if you don't see them talk to one night in the day body school. Okay, I didn't say body school is not good, guys, but what is going on recently is a no. Even when we are growing up, sometimes when you watch some movie, body school story, maybe home video, things that is really going on in body, it takes only God to save your children. Okay, bad, good, ugly, now there that they see all. Thank you, everyone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I love you all. If you enjoy watching this video, subscribe and join the family. Help me share, and do not forget to also drop your contribution, your thoughts. Okay, so thank you all. Help me share this video, my people. Thank you for watching. Please think twice before sending your child or your child, okay, your pikin to boarding school. So thank you all. I love you. I hope you understand this my message. Don't take it personal. I did not say boarding school is not good, but think twice before you send your little ones to boarding school. See you guys in my tomorrow's videos. I appreciate you all. Keep supporting your baby girl. I love you all. See you all. Bye.